Where are we, Heather?
Marrakech.
And what's different about Marrakech today?
It's a wee bit sandy and blowy.
It's a sandstorm across the entire area. We've just driven in from down south, and for miles coming in, this sandstorm. You can see it in the distance, and I asked the driver in our taxi, I said, look, is that a rainstorm? He went, no, it's sand. So up there is the sand, behind the sandstorm. The sun's just trying to break through. It's actually a lot cooler now, the sand's here. How are you, Heath?
Good.
See, I've got my neck scarf. It keeps us cool. It's wet, so it keeps the dust out. Very humid. Earlier it was in the sort of mid-late 30s. What you hear in the background are the pipes from the snake charmers. So the middle here all sets up tonight with food stalls. This afternoon you got all the snake charmers. No merci. There's a man who's offered to do my shoes for me. You know, just to clean my shoes in a sandstorm. So little tuk-tuks. So the mosque, which is over there, you can't see it because of the sand. You know, one of the most important mosques in Islam, you can't see it. Should be a big tower there, in between the trees.